Hi, this is Trevor at Factory Outlet Trailers. We're here today to show you one of our cool new products. It's made by Curt Manufacturing Group, and it is one of the new rubber ride hitches. It's adjustable, so you can cover all kinds of applications. Those of you out there that have experienced some bad chucking, bouncing, jarring from the weight of your trailer shifting against your truck when you hit the gas or the brake, or even just road bumps, this hitch is designed to eliminate that. They do it in a combination of a torsion rubber here, a lot like a torsion axle does, as well as a rubber here to keep these two pieces from rattling, because typically adjustable, you get that rattle. That being said, it is a little tight to get it into the holes, but that's what you want. So I'm going to start off by just putting on the ball attachment, and it goes with a nice easy push of the pin there. Then where it really struggles, but that's what does a lot of your magic, is getting this bottom pin. Sometimes I can't even do it with the weight of myself, and I have to actually put the trailer on. But again, that is what you want to happen. So now that we got that pin through, we put in our last safety pin. And just to show you, see, we have absolutely zero movement between the ball head and the actual drawbar. I can't even compress that to show you guys, to show you how stiff that rubber is. But if you imagine your 5,000 plus pound load pushing in against that hitch, that's just going to compress that rubber. Gives a nice quiet ride. I noticed a world of difference on my old 91 GMC. Sloppy pinholes, you name it, and I didn't even know that trailer was behind me. You can get this bad boy for only $500, which is a great price. Any other competitor products, you're looking at $850 plus. Thanks for joining us today in our review of the new Curt Rebellion torsion hitch.